So far in this class, we have only dealt with equal signs where x equals 5. There's no other number that could take that place. If I put in 4.9, well, that's not true. It doesn't equal 5 at all. So what we're going to take a look at here is we're going to take a look at some inequalities. And this you should write down in your notebook. Some inequalities you could get less than, this one is less than or equal to, we have greater than, and this one is greater than or equal to. Something that might not make complete sense right now, but we'll take a look at it. If it is less than or greater than, you will always use either an open circle or a dashed line. Whenever you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you will actually use a closed circle and a solid line. So let's take a look at an example. So instead of writing x equals 5, I'm going to change this equal sign and I'm going to put a less than symbol. So what can that x be? That x could be an infinite amount of values. But if we take a look at a number line, x needs to be less than 5, and I'm going to use a open circle here, and then I know x could be 4 because 4 is less than 5, so that's good. 3 is less than 5, so all these points over here are true. Since these points over here are true, I'm going to go ahead and shade. And just to show you why I'm not shading on the other side, if I say, well, why can't x be 6? Is 6 less than 5? No. So these points over here are all false. So this is what my picture would look like for x is less than 5. If I have x is greater than or equal to -2, I would make my number line. And I know I'm making a closed circle at -2 because I have it is greater than or equal to. Now to decide on what side to shade, I'm just going to pick a point. And if I say, okay, -4, is -4 greater than or equal to 2? So ask yourselves, would you rather owe your dad $4 or $2? And clearly the answer is $2. So this is actually not true. So it is false. But I'm going to just check one other thing. And if I go over here and I check 1, and I take it as 1 greater than or equal to -2, well, of course, I'd rather have $1 over owing someone $2. So I'm going to shade this way where it is true. On your worksheets, I believe I filled out the first one for you. We're at -5. I'm making a closed dot here. And n is less than that number. So I'm going to test a point. If I test -6, is -6 less than or equal to -5? Yes, it is. That's true. I'm going to just test 0 for good measures. Is 0 less than or equal to -5? No. I would rather have no money than to owe someone money. So this is false. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and shade that way. Let's take a look at one more. R is greater than 2. So I'm going to find 2 on the number line. I'm going to put a open circle because I see it as just greater than. Now I'm going to go ahead and test a point. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test 0 first. Is 0 larger than 2? No. So that is false. So I'm going to pick another one on the other side. 6. Is 6 greater than 2? Yes, it is. So that is true. So that means I am shading to the right. And that is how we do single variable inequalities.